everyone, it's Denise Chim-Lazaro, Director of Global Makeup Education here at IT Cosmetics, and I'm here to help you find your perfect shade in our CC. Alright, as you can see, I'm completely barefaced. Now I have to pick my shade. So step one is to identify if you are a fair, light, medium, tan, rich, or deep in the shade intensity level. So for me, I'm a medium. Step two is identifying your undertone. So undertone is actually the tone below the surface of the skin, whether you're a warm, a cool, or a neutral. So at IT Cosmetics, for us to help you, we typically base it on jewelry. So are you more drawn to gold jewelry, or does gold jewelry complement you? Then you're more than likely a warm. If silver jewelry really complements you, then you're more than likely a cool. But if you can do both and both complement you very well, then you're more than likely a neutral. Our rule of thumb is, when in doubt, go neutral. Step three is to really stripe 3 different swatches below the cheekbone and then down below the jawline. So I have here 3 swatches of shades, and I'm gonna stripe all the way down onto my jawline. Here's the second one. And by striping 3, you can identify which one disappears on the skin. Alright, as you can see, I've striped 3 on my jawline area, and you can tell that the first one is a little too light, the third one is too dark, and the second one blends right into my skin. So I'm a neutral medium.